Succulent, tender chicken stir-fried in a smoky wok. This is your Thai fried rice. Hi everyone, welcome back to Flavour Fridays. It's Cher here with your Thai fried rice. So to get started, we are going to need to chop some vegetables. So off we go. We've got some carrot diced up. There's also some finely chopped garlic, as well as finely minced ginger, along with 3 spring onions. And I've taken off the tops to make little garnishes for later. And with the sturdier, whiter parts of the onion, they just get chopped into sort of 1-inch pieces. Some coriander just needs to be finely chopped as well to go on as a garnish later, as well as 3 small Thai bird's eye chilies. Super easy, just cutting down into rings and then just popping them straight into my fish sauce. And they'll just give the fried rice little bursts of intense heat. Bit of a surprise every now and then in every bite. You get the idea? Right, so all our vegetables are prepped. Now it's time to get walking. Before that, we just want to marinate the chicken just ever so slightly. So just get a little bit of flavor going already. Good pinch of salt, also some black pepper, finely ground black pepper, and also just about a tablespoon of the oyster sauce. We'll reserve the other remaining bit of oyster sauce for later to use during the stir fry. So chicken, salt, and oyster sauce in there, and you know the drill. You go in with your hand and you get dirty, because the hands are the only way to do this. So really squeezing the chicken. So chicken's marinating, we just want to get ourselves in a good place by getting our wok up to heat. So you want a smoking hot wok. That's how you actually stop food from actually sticking to the wok. So here we go. So nice bit of hot wok. I'm just gonna add some oil to the wok. It's about a couple of tablespoons. Nice and hot. Let's bring this up to blazing heat, and then we will go in with the chicken. So I'm just allowing the chicken to caramelize before I move them. And every now and then, just leave that chicken be, let it just kind of cook in that wok before you go in to stir them again. So my chicken's had a few minutes of cooking, so they're completely done now. You definitely want them completely cooked. So I'm just going to get them out of the wok, just straight into a bowl. So we're just gonna save a tiny bit of this chicken fat that's still in the wok. All of that's good flavor, so that actually just kind of saves us from actually having to use more vegetable oil for the next bit of the stir fry, which is when we get our carrot in first of all. So all of our little diced bits of carrots going in. So whilst we're just waiting for the carrots to cook, which will take about a minute or so, just a little bit of a footnote, or if you will, or just a note about how I've handled the chicken. So cooked that chicken off first in the wok, and I took it out and then continued with the vegetables. So that's sometimes you'll see in some of my videos. The only reason for that really is just a very, very practical reason. It really is just to stop the wok from overcrowding. So if you find that you've got too many ingredients going into a dish, or if you're working with a fairly small wok, then you may have to just do this sort of 2-part cooking using the wok, which is actually really versatile as well. So just another tool for your toolbox. So carrots are nearly done, okay? They've turned a little bit sort of more translucent. So I'm gonna go in with the rest of my other 2 ingredients. So here I've got my ginger and garlic, as well as the chunky bits of spring onions going in. Just going to give them about 10 seconds or so of stir fry. Now that my spring onions have softened slightly, I'm just going to push all of the ingredients just to one side, so that way they're not going to continue to cook too much and ultimately burn, so that's really important. Next bit that needs to go in are my rice. So here I've got some cooked jasmine rice, because it is after all Thai fried rice. Jasmine rice going in and then just scooping the carrots over the rice and then starting to mix them all in. So with your fried rice, when your rice is in, you want to really kind of keep an eye, or rather a ear out, for how the rice is sounding. You should start to kind of hear that sort of crackling, dry, sizzling quality in your stir fry. That simply means that all of that moisture from that rice is actually drying, is actually coming out. So that's a really good sign. The chicken can now go back in to the wok. And we're just going to allow them to kind of mix, marry and mingle, get to know one another really well. And of course, it wouldn't be Thai fried rice without your combination of your oyster sauce as well as your fish sauce with the chili. So they both go in there. And then a really good mix. You can definitely smell the fish sauce now. And your sauces should be sort of coating your rice in that sort of ever lovely glisten. Once that's done, we're just going to move the rice away from us again. So we have our rice pushed away to the side. We've got a couple of bean eggs, so just going to whisk them up. And then just the tiniest bit more oil in the wok. And in go our eggs. And we'll just allow that to really kind of set and scramble, move them around a little bit without mixing in the rice yet. And once the eggs are just very nearly set, not completely, but just very nearly, then we can bring the rice back into the mix. And we'll just push the egg, fold it through so that the grains of rice get coated in the lovely soft eggs. And once the eggs are completely mixed through, then it's time to plate up. Once that's done, we're going to get a little bit of garnish on there, only if you want. So typical ones would be, of course, some chopped coriander, and some little bits of the spring onion. And of course, it wouldn't be a Thai fried rice without some lime. So a couple of wedges of lime. And there you have it. That's our Thai fried rice with a bit of chicken in there, a bit of protein. There you go. This smells absolutely divine, so I'm just gonna have to dig in and try this out for you guys. Succulent chicken, lovely individual grains of rice. You get that heat from the chilies, which is amazing. So there you go, Thai fried rice. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Flavour Fridays. And let us also know in the comment below what kind of fried rice you prefer. A Chinese fried rice, a Thai fried rice, Indonesian fried rice. Take your pick. Let us know, and I'll see you soon in the next episode. Bye.